Hi, I'm Dr. Sam Cryer, founder of Thermulon, and these are my co-founders, Alexander Murdoch and Rosalie Ricklever. And we're making advanced insulation materials for buildings. Our vision is to tackle the climate crisis by insulating houses with fire-safe materials.
Around 17% of UK's CO2 emissions comes directly from our buildings. The majority of it is from heating. To get to net zero 2050, we need novel insulation materials. But most insulation products today are stuck in the past. Most products are either fire-safe, but poor insulants, or they have really good insulating performance, but they will burn. The tragedy of the Grenfell Tower fire in 2017 shows that insulation must not compromise on fire safety. There is a better way to insulate our buildings, and in Thermulon, we are building it.
Thermulon focuses on the production of silica aerogel materials. First used by NASA in space, they're the most insulating material in existence, but they've always been too expensive to insulate homes in the mass market. That's because the process to produce them is complex, difficult to scale, and in itself very costly. All existing commercialized aerogel processes have drawbacks, such as expensive precursors, batch processing, supercritical CO2 drying, or long reaction times.
We've teamed up with the world's top aerogel scientists and engineers to develop a novel chemical process that significantly reduces the cost of aerogel production, making them much more widely accessible. The fully continuous process can reduce the price of aerogel by up to 5 times thanks to economies of scale. The super insulating powders that come off our production line will be sold to manufacturers in the construction industry, giving super insulating properties to materials like renders, plasters and panels.
Thermulon-based products can be used to retrofit the 6.5 million hard-to-treat homes here in the UK and to produce fire-safe building insulation panels for tall buildings. Eventually, Thermulon-based products can be placed in the insulation mass market here in the UK, in Europe and beyond. Globally, this is a market opportunity that is worth $30 billion in 2020, and it is projected to grow to almost $39 billion per year by 2025.
We see a future where contractors have a choice between 2 high-performance materials, one that is plastic and burns, and Thermulon that doesn't. What would you choose?
Hi, I'm Oliver Jones, the Research Director at Ryder Architecture. We're an award-winning international architectural practice with a research focus on optimising building performance. And we can see clear benefits that a product like those under development by Thermulon can bring. It's a fire-safe, high-performance, low-carbon insulation that may even support a developing circular economy. We can't speak highly enough of the innovative team at Thermulon and look forward to continuing our collaboration to realise safer, more sustainable buildings in the future.
Thermulon is a team of chemists, engineers, and entrepreneurs committed to tackling the climate crisis. We're proud to have been awarded £500,000 in Innovate UK grants and to have been awarded prizes by the Royal Society of Chemistry, Royal Academy of Engineering, and the London Clean Tech Beacon to build back better. Our company contributes to 6 Sustainable Development Goals, and we're committed to providing a climate-positive product for future generations.
As a specialist investor looking at novel sustainable materials, we are hugely excited by the potential for meaningful environmental impact in the construction sector as a result of the adoption of Thermulon's aerogel technology. The market is crying out for a solution to the challenges now faced in insulation as a result of the Grenfell disaster and net zero targets. Sam, Alex and Rosalie represent a generation of exciting young entrepreneurs who've shown an unwavering desire to pursue profit and purpose, and we are excited to be on that journey with them.
With this funding, we'll be able to file our first patent, go from lab to pilot scale reactors, grow our team, and ultimately get more Thermulon onto walls. Thermulon can tackle the climate crisis by insulating homes with fire-safe materials. Join us on this journey today.